In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flodesk's spinner opt-in form on Shopify to boost your signups and sales. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur eager to grow your mailing list and increase sales, this easy guide will walk you through each step of integrating this engaging opt-in feature into your Shopify store. Let's get started by creating the spinner form within Flodesk. First, you'll want to log into your Flodesk account. Once you're in, navigate to the Forms section in the dashboard. You'll see a button that says Plus New Form. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll create your dynamic opt-in form. For the style, choose Pop-up, and from there, you'll find the option to pick the spin to win or wheel style. This gamified opt-in experience can significantly boost user interaction, offering your visitors a fun way to engage with your brand while you gather their email addresses. Once you've selected the spin to win style, you'll be able to customize the form to fit your brand. Tailor the text to match your brand's voice and adjust the design elements such as colors and fonts to ensure the form seamlessly integrates with the look of your Shopify site. Don't forget to set up the prizes that your visitors can win. Enticing rewards will encourage more people to engage with the spinner. After customizing, remember to set the form to active. This is a crucial step, as it enables the form to function and be visible to your site visitors. After activating your form, Flodesk will provide you with an embed code. This code is essential as it serves as the bridge between Flodesk and Shopify. Copy this code carefully, we'll need it for the next stage of the process. Now it's time to incorporate this form into your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, click on Online Store. You'll then proceed to Themes, where you'll find an option to customize your theme. During customization, you'll add the form as a new section, so select Add Section and choose Custom Liquid. This allows you to input your own code directly into Shopify. In the Custom Liquid section, you'll see a liquid code box in the upper right hand corner. Paste the Flodesk embed code you copied here. This action embeds the spinner form into your website, making it ready for customer engagement. Finally, it's crucial to save all your hard work. So click the Save button to finalize the integration. And there you have it, your Flodesk spinner opt-in form is now live on your Shopify site, ready to captivate visitors and turn them into subscribers and customers. With this setup, you're not only enhancing the interactive experience for your visitors, but also strategically positioning your business for increased engagement and sales.